Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a channel to your not interested list on YouTube. So if you're scrolling through your feed here and you find a channel that you're not interested or a video that you're not interested in, you can easily go ahead and just simply click the three dots on the lower right hand side of that video and simply choose not interested. And that video will be added to your not interested list. Now, if you don't know how to actually check your not interested list, I'm going to show you how. Just simple, once you're on YouTube, click your account on the upper right hand side and go to your Google account right here. Now this is going to open up, click on data and privacy on the left hand side, then scroll down and click on your my activity right here. And on the left hand side, click on other activity. Scroll down guys and you will find an option in the list here that says user feedback, previously not interested. Click on view user feedback and this is where you'll find those channels or videos there. If you want to remove them at any point in time, you can simply click those and that's going to remove them. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple how to add a channel or video to not interested list on YouTube.